our next pattern, we're going to be showing you the ladies' underarm turn. I'm going to break down the man's footwork first. So what happens here, it's a 12-step foot pattern. I'm doing a box in this direction, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a quarter turn. So I'm stepping forward, I'm turning my foot, quarter turn, side together, and finishing with a box, back, side together. So I'll do this one more time. I'm stepping slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, quarter turn, side together, back, side together. Now in terms of the lead, and we'll get a little more specific with that with Melina, is on my fourth step, as my right foot goes back, I'm going to be raising my left hand. And now for the ladies' part. She starts with half a box, which is right foot back and side together. She steps forward with her left foot. And now she's going to walk around with her right, right, step side with the left and close. And now finish with half a box, left foot forward, right foot side, and left foot closes to right. So let's do that again. So the lady steps back with the right foot, left foot side close, and here she steps forward with the left. You want to make sure, ladies, that it's straight forward and not already starting to turn. Continuing, walking around, 2, 3, 4, step side close, and left foot forward to finish side close. So let's do it with rhythm. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, and slow, quick, quick. And now we'll do it together. So we're starting with half a box, slow, quick, quick. As I step back with the right foot, I raise my left hand, quick, quick. I do a quarter turn to meet her and finish with the box side together. So slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, and slow, quick, quick.